Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you having a dot charger. If you guys have a dot charger, you try to find where the cruise control switch is located. Stay with us, we'll explain that in this video today. You have a deactivated switch that when you press the brake practically turns the cruise control off so you don't keep accelerating and crash, guys. Also, if cruise control doesn't work, we'll explain what else it could be. Make sure to stay until the end. Very helpful information will be shared today. Before we start, let me just tell you a little bit about us, guys. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. Why we do that? Because our mission at the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to our channel, like the video, that way we can keep making these free videos. And if you guys want to buy any parts, tools for your Dodge or any vehicle, you want to get them at a good price, quick shipping, check out the link in the description of the video below. That's where we get all our tools and supplies from. So let's continue now. So, it should work on V6, V8, guys. Cruise control doesn't have anything to do with the size of the engine. Specifically, we have a V6 3.6 2018 model that we'll be demonstrating on. So, where is that cruise control switch? Let's explain about that now. Now, back in the day, guys, you used to have two different switches. One was known as a brake light switch, one is a cruise control switch. Nowadays, guys, okay, you do not have that. It's way more modernized with less. Actually, people say they're more complicated cars, but it's not. It's actually easier to work on as well, and we'll explain why. But before we continue, let me just tell you guys, if you have problems with your cruise control, when you fix it, you replace the switch, you still have problems, you may need to use a scanner like that. Why? Because you may need to clear the fault codes from the computers, guys. And a scanner like that, diagnostic tool, can access every computer system. You can read the codes, delete those codes, and you can actually even see live data to diagnose your problem. We will put the link in the description of the video below if you want to check current price and features, but it works on almost any car you can think of, and it's a tool that can pay itself off in one-time use. So definitely, guys, okay, check it out if you're on the market for one. It's a life-saving device, since one of those new vehicles, some of those new vehicles have more than 60 computers like that BMW here, so you definitely, guys, need a diagnostic tool to fix them nowadays. So if you come in the full well on your dot charger, you will see right here next to the brake panel, guys, talking about cruise control switch. We're not talking about the switch on the steering wheel that turns the cruise control on and off. If you look at your brake panel and then we come right there up, okay, I'm talking about this device right there, guys. You can see this is your brake light switch. Now when you press the brake, you can see it moves the switch, right? It moves the switch, guys. That brake light switch is the one that's actually for cruise control as well. It's integrated in one. You have multiple wires, and the engine computer and transmission computer practically will detect if you press the brake pedal, it will deactivate the cruise control. If that switch doesn't work, it may not be calibrated. Sometimes you may need to calibrate these switches, guys, even when you replace them. So if you want to see how to calibrate brake light switch or cruise control switch, we will have the video on the channel that will teach you how to do that. If you want to see how to replace the cruise control switch, also known as brake light switch, check it out. It will teach you how to do that. Also inspect the wires to make sure that they're plugged in and they're in good condition as well. And the switch itself, it may look perfectly fine, but it may be bad. If you want to see how to test brake light switch, complete video will be on our channel that will teach you how to do that. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.